What if there was a better way to source products for your online store? A platform that not only offers a vast array of trending products, but also simplifies the entire process from sourcing to shipping? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of product sourcing to uncover the hidden gems and potential pitfalls. We'll explore the popular choice, Spocket, and then introduce you to some exciting alternatives that might just revolutionize your e-commerce business. The Spocket Conundrum. Spocket has undoubtedly made a significant impact on the dropshipping industry. It offers a user-friendly interface, a curated selection of products, and integration with popular e-commerce platforms. However, as with any platform, there are potential drawbacks. Some users have reported issues with product quality, inconsistent shipping times, and limited customization options. While Spocket is a solid choice, it's essential to consider these factors before making a decision. The rising stars, alternative platforms. Now, let's explore some alternative platforms that might offer a more comprehensive and cost-effective solution. Alibaba. Pros: vast product range, direct sourcing from manufacturers, potential for bulk discounts. Cons: requires more research and communication with suppliers, potential language and cultural barriers. Siege Dropshipping. Pros: user-friendly interface, strong customer support, integration with popular e-commerce platforms. Cons: limited product range compared to Alibaba, potential for longer shipping times. Print-on-demand platforms. Pros: unique, customizable products, no upfront inventory costs. Cons: lower profit margins, limited control over the production process. Local suppliers. Pros: faster shipping times, better control over product quality, potential for stronger relationships. Cons: limited product range, higher costs compared to international suppliers. The ultimate decision: a personalized approach. Choosing the right product sourcing platform depends on various factors, including your budget, target audience, niche, and desired level of customization. Here are some key considerations to help you make an informed decision. Product quality: prioritize suppliers who offer high-quality products and reliable shipping. Shipping times: consider factors like shipping location and carrier options to minimize delivery times. Customer support: a responsive and helpful support team can make a significant difference. Pricing and fees: evaluate the overall costs, including product prices, shipping fees, and platform fees. Customization options: determine the level of customization you need for your products. While Spocket is a popular choice, it's worth exploring alternative platforms to find the best fit for your e-commerce business. By carefully considering your specific needs and conducting thorough research, you can identify the ideal product sourcing solution to drive growth and success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.